everybody, today we are going to see about custom show. There are two types of custom show. One is basic custom show and another one is hyperlinked custom show. This is a very useful one in PowerPoint. We can see how we can do this. Thank you. Custom show. It is a subset of slides in a presentation file for the purpose of showing that subset to a particular audience. It is like a playlist. There are two kinds of custom shows. The first one is basic custom show and the second one is hyperlinked custom show. There may be a scenario where you cannot show the entire presentation to the audience for lack of time. In that time, you can use custom shows. Basic custom show. A basic custom show is a separate presentation or a presentation that includes some of the slides of the original. Hyperlinked custom show. A hyperlinked custom show is a quick way to navigate to one or more separate presentation. In this video, we'll be seeing both basic custom show as well as hyperlinked custom show. Basic custom show. The steps to be followed. Go to slideshow, custom slideshow, and then select custom shows. In the custom shows dialog box, select new. Under slides in presentation, choose the slides that you want to include in custom show and then select add. To change the order in which the slides appear, under slides in custom show, select a slide and click one of the arrows to move the slide up or down in the list. Then type a name in the slideshow name box and click OK. Hyperlinked custom show. The first step is go to slideshow, custom slideshow, and then select custom shows. The second step is in the custom shows dialog box, select new. The third step, under slides in presentation, click the slides that you want to include in the main custom show and then click add. The fourth step in the hyperlinked custom show is type a name in the slideshow name box and then click OK. The fifth step, to create a hyperlink to a supporting show in your presentation, select the text or object that you want to be the link. The sixth step, go to insert hyperlink. Seventh point, in the insert links dialog box, under link to, click place in this document. The eighth step, do one of the following, that is to link to a custom show in the select a place in the document list. Select the custom show that you want to go to and then select the show and return the checkbox. Or you can do to link to a location in the current presentation. In the select a place in the document list, select the slide you want to go to. Start a custom show from within PowerPoint. The first step is on the slideshow tab in the setup group, click setup slideshow. In the setup show dialog box under show slides, custom show, and then click the custom show that you want. Then click OK. On the slideshow tab in the start slideshow group, click custom slideshow and then click custom shows. Now let us see how to create custom shows. Before we enter into custom show, I would like to explain you about hiding a slide. Sometimes some of the presenters used hide style so that if there is a 1 hour presentation, if they want to limit the presentation for half an hour, they will be using hide source. Right click on a slide, click hide slide. So once you have used this, you can see this slide number 2 is hidden and there is a small slash mark near to this loop. If I am going to hide slide number 6, it is hidden. You can see in 6 there is a slash mark. That means that slide is hidden. You can see this in slide sorter view also. Okay, here you can see here this is a slide sorter view. You click this, second slide is hidden, sixth slide is hidden. Suppose if you want to hide the 16th slide, right click and hide. So when we start doing the presentation, the hidden slides will not be visible to the viewers. Let us check. So this is the second slide. Whether it is visible, we will see. This is the first slide. Directly it goes to the third slide, slide number 3, 4, and other slides which are hidden is not visible. Now let me insert the slide number. So if the slide number is inserted, we can find it very clearly which are the slides which we have hidden and which is not visible. So let us see how to insert slide number. Click insert. In the insert ribbon there is an option called slide number. You can click slide number and click apply to all. Now you can see number is given. So this is slide number 1. We have hidden slide number 2. We have hidden slide number 6. So let me hide slide number 9 also. Now let us see in the PowerPoint show slides which are visible. I am clicking F5. F5 is the shortcut for PowerPoint slideshow. So you can see here number 1 is visible. I am clicking. Number 2, slide number 2 is not visible because we have hidden the slide. 3 is visible, 4 is visible, 5 is visible. Now you can see after 5 directly it goes to slide number 7. Slide number 6 is hidden. Okay, now you can see slide number 8. We have hidden slide number 9. It will not be visible. You can see directly goes to slide number 10. So some of the presenters, what they will do is, if they want to cut short the presentation, they will find out which are the slides which are unimportant and they will hide those slides and they will do the presentation. In PowerPoint, we have an excellent option called custom show. We'll see how we can do that. Now let us unhide the slides. So I am going to right click on this and click this hide slide. So it is unhidden. So I am going to unhide this slide number 6. So now all the slides are visible. Now let us see how to create custom shows. In slideshow, in that ribbon you can see there is an option called custom slideshow. You click this and click custom shows. Now I am going to create a new custom shows. Okay, if I click new, I can give a name for that. So I'm going to do the presentation for BBA. So I feel certain slides is not important for these students. Select the first slide and click add. So first slide is the introduction slide, that is important. The second slide is also important. So I am adding this slide. Now I feel the third slide is also important. I have selected the third. Suppose I feel fourth and fifth slide is not important. So I can leave that slide and I can move to the sixth one. So I feel that seventh slide is important. Eighth, I want to select the 11th slide. Okay. So let me select the last slide. So I am selecting 82 and 83rd slide. If I click OK, so for BBA, I have created a small presentation. In this 83 slides, I have selected only 10 slides. Okay, now I am going to click show. You can see slide number 1 is visible. Slide number 2 is visible. 3, 6, 7, 8, as well as the 11th slide, then the 82, and finally the thank you slide is visible. That is slide number 83. So out of these 83 slides, I have selected a minimum number of slides which I am going to do a presentation for a particular set of audience. This is called basic custom show. Okay, we have just selected the number of slides which we want to display to the viewers. So that we have created as a show and we have displayed. In setup show, there is an option called show all slides. Okay. Normally if you click any presentation and if you click this, all the slides will be visible. You can also click custom shows, so that if you have created a custom show, that slide if you want to show that, you click OK, and if you press F5, that custom shows will be visible which you have selected. You can see here 3, 6, 7, 8, 11, 82 and 83. So like this you can set up here. Okay, once again I'm repeating: slideshow, setup show. If I click all and click OK, if I start the presentation by pressing F5, you can see here all the slides will be visible. Now I am going to teach you about hyperlinked custom show. Let us see how we can do it. So actually this slide, it contains details about 4 different information systems. So it contains about HR information system, marketing, finance as well as production. Suppose you are working in a company, or if you want to give a presentation for a specific set of people. Say I want to address only the HR students, or if I am going to address only the employees with related to HR, or with related to marketing, or with related to finance, the entire slideshow can be divided into different sections, and those sections which is needed for those people can be displayed to them. Now once again we will try to create different custom shows for different departments. Click slideshow, click custom slideshow and click custom shows. New is I'm going to give as HR. So I'm going to give the slide number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Slide number 12 we have HR for. So I am selecting and I am clicking OK. Now I have created a custom show for HR. Marketing starts at slide number 26. I'm going to give a new custom show named marketing. I have selected. I will start from slide number 26. 27 is needed, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 35 you will add for marketing. Click add and click OK. Now we have created for 2 different departments, HR and marketing, and you can click close. After clicking close, so after the introduction slide, slide number 1 and slide number 2, I am going to create a new slide. So in this slide, I am going to insert two shapes. So this is one shape, and I am going to insert another shape. So I am going to use these shapes. Right click. I am going to edit text. Let me rename as HR. I am going to rename this text as marketing. Now what I am going to do, I am going to insert a hyperlink. This is clicking bookmark. I am clicking the bookmark. You can see custom source. We have BBA, HR and marketing. I am going to use HR for this. Click OK and click OK. So here I am going to select marketing. Click insert hyperlink. Click bookmark and click marketing custom show. So I am clicking OK. So everything is fine now. So what I am going to do, I am going to start the presentation. Before starting the presentation, let us see in the setup show. We'll click all. Okay, I'm going to click all and click OK. So now I'm going to click F5. So I have the started the presentation for HR people. Clicking this, so I'm telling that we are going to see about HR information system. If I click HR, this slide will directly go to custom source of HR. So you can see only the details with related to HR will be visible here. You can see here. So after this, it has come to the end of show. Once again, I'm pressing F5. I'm clicking. I'm going to display for the marketing, guys. So I'm clicking marketing. It will start with the marketing information system. So all the details related to marketing is displayed to the viewers, and finally the slides end. So you can see all the three custom shows we have used HR marketing. Similarly, you can create any number of custom shows. If you want to give a presentation for different departments, the introduction slide, maybe the first 3 or 4 slides, introduction slides can be the same for all the departments. After that, you can segregate into different departments, say HR, finance, marketing, production, shipping, and logistics. Like that, you can, for different departments, you can select and you can do the presentation. For more videos like this, subscribe our channel Educrawl. You can forward this video to all your friends and relatives.